केलो सगळ्यांनी केलो आनी आमची रॅली करपाचें मेन माध्यम आशिल्लें रॅली. त्या माध्यमान आमी लोकांक सांगपाक सोदताले आमी जर रुल्स ट्रॅफीक रुल्स पाळना जाल्यार एक्सिडंट कशें जावपाक शकता, हेल्मेट कित्याक घालप, सीट बेल्ट कित्याक घालप हाजेर आमी मातशें भर दिवपाक सोदताले. कित्याक आतां मेजर एक्सिडंट पयला आनी ताजे खातीर लायफ गेल्लें आसा लोकांचें. पुलाचेर जाल्लो तो पयलीं आनी एक भुरगें मेलें, एक फॅमिली काबार जाली आनी एक्सिडंट जावप म्हटल्यार एक फॅमिली काबार जाता फाटल्यान आशिल्ली. हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता स्पेशली तुमी पुलिसां खातीर आनी RTO खातीर हेल्मेट घालनाका, आपले स्वताचे तकले खातीर हेल्मेट घाला आनी दुसरें सीट बेल्ट घालता ते आपल्या खातीर घाला, स्वताच्या लायफा खातीर आनी आपल्या फॅमिलीची घराचे कोण रावता तुमचे खातीर तांची सेफ्टी पळयात. थँक्यू.
NSS unit of GR Kare College of Law celebrates the Road Safety Awareness Week. We have today, as you can see, have celebrated this particular week by organizing a rally, and the theme for this rally is on road safety. Now, why road safety and how it is related to NSS? Road safety awareness is one of the most important aspects that is undertaken by the NSS unit of the college. And why so? It's because most of the death among the youth normally takes place on the roads. That is the reason why we have, in order to generate more awareness among the public, have organized this rally today. And I am very happy that our entire faculty as well as students have, in association with the RTO office at Quepem, and I must thank Mr. Rajesh Sheke for giving me an opportunity to associate our college with him. So thank you.